about being organised. One of the things that Year 12s often say to me, they say it's the worst thing that ever happened to them other than failing. What do you think it is? What do you think it might be that Year 12 says the worst thing that's happened to me other than failing? You're not trying is close. What is it? They fall behind. Well done. They fall behind. Okay.
Yes. I told him.
Oh, well, if you told him. Yeah, you did too. Yeah.
Yes.
Lots of students tell me that they can't find things in their locker room, that their locker's pretty messed up, that their room is a mess, that things are all over the place. They lose books, pencils, pens, all sorts of things. You know, folks, that just makes it difficult, very difficult. I know being organised is a bit of a pain. I know being organised is at times something you don't necessarily want to do. You know, many students say to me, oh, look, when I feel like it, I'll get organised. Folks, you ever going to feel like it, yes or no? No. You're never going to feel like it. If you wait for the feeling, will it ever happen? No. You have to choose to make it happen and get organised. It's not something you necessarily like to do, you just got to do it. And when you do it, things happen and your locker gets clean and you feel on top of things. Because organisation is actually the bridge between your goals and accomplishments. And never is that more important than in your Year 12. Why would I say that? Now, as I said, I've been hanging around on the planet for longer than you guys. I've got more grey hair than anyone else in the room. So I can tell you that what this is about, and I've talked to thousands of students, thousands and thousands of students. And I can tell you that my summary is a bit like this, that we have here a graph, and up here we have level of difficulty. Over here is time. So in Year 10, then it's somewhere around about there. I'm just picking an arbitrary place for Year 10. I'm told reliably that the work in Year 11 gets a bit harder. I don't know how much harder, but I'm told it gets harder. The real question I have then is, do you expect that graph to keep going up? Most do. In actual fact, what happens is it goes similarly to Year 11. So what's the big deal with Year 12? If it's not that appreciably harder than you've had already. What is the deal? The deal is there's lots of it. There's lots more of it than there was over here in Year 11. And you have deadline after deadline after deadline coming at you. Now, I'm not a teacher, you know that. And I might be wrong, but I don't think so. One of the things you'll have in Year 12 is lots of work. It's not any harder than Year 11. So that's why you need to get organised. That's why you need to get organised. Do you think that graph then goes up higher for uni and TAFE? Comes down again. TAFE and uni is a piece of cake in comparison to Year 12. It doesn't have anything to do with IQ, it has everything to do with you being organised and your EQ.